and the BNIS Alumni Association headed by Sir Roy Castronuevo, and our guests. Welcome to our Grand Alumni Homecoming 2026. Today we gather not just to celebrate, but to reconnect, remember, and relive the journey that shaped who we are today. Guided by our theme. What is our theme? Ano nga po ulit ang ating tema? Nagpa-recitation naman si Ma'am, no? Gurita sa ilang years na po? 51 taon ng dedikasyon at paglilingkod. 51 years. We honor more than 5 decades of commitment, excellence, and shared history. Alright, so as we proceed to our opening program, may I invite everyone to stand for the singing of the national anthem to be led by Ma'am Bernadette de Padua, batch 1990, head teacher of BNIS, followed by an opening prayer through an AAVP.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang mag-ibig, talas na silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Noong pag-ibig, bulan ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulungin na masisigil.
Sa lagang tulong sa sino'y sa langit mong lugar, may ilang ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal.
Ang isang awat-awat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidingding.
Ang bituin at araw ng kailan pa may magdidilig. Mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Diyos, pinagpupurihan ka namin sa iyong kadakilaan at kabanalan. Pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong ginawa at pagpapala. Sa mga material na bagay na ipinagkaloob mo. Higit sa lahat, salamat sa mga bagay na hindi nakikita ng aming mga mata. Sa kasiyahan, kapayapaan, kagalakan, kalusugan, at pagmamahal. Salamat sa buhay na ibinigay mo at sa pagkakataon na ito na kami ay magkasama-sama. Nawa ang pagsasalo-salo namin sa araw na ito ay magbunga ng mas matibay na samahan at mas malalim na pagmamahalan. Maging dahilan nawa ito ng aming mas matatag na pagkakaisa. Kumagitna ka po sa amin sa araw na ito upang mas lalo po namin ikalugod ang aming pagsasalo-salo. Sa inyo po ang kapurihan sa katagumpayan ng gawain ito. Ang lahat ng ito ay idinadalangin namin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Ayan. So maganda at mainit na tanghali po sa ating lahat. Pagkikipunan natin ang ating mga katabi ng magandang tanghali. Ayan. Parang napakasayang tingnan at maramdaman ang enerhiya ng mga bukaleyang Sir Norman, Ma'am Belle, and our Honorable Mayor, our guest speaker, and also our president of the new president or the current president of the alumni. Masaya po ba ang lahat? Parang hindi naman. Mabuhay ang BNIS? Alright, so we are truly blessed and honored to hear messages from these people and to give her welcome remarks. May I welcome proper. Let us welcome the school principal for BNIS, Ms. Balita C. Loyola.
To our Honorable Mayor Ube Arca, our guest speaker, Mr. Roy Castronuevo, the president of the present president of our Alumni Association for batch 1984, and our former president of the Alumni Association, Engineer Anakay, and of course, Dr. Levy. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very special occasion. It is a momentous occasion. Today, the halls of Bukal National Integrated School are alive again with the laughter, stories, and spirit of the generations we have proudly sent into the world. Seeing your faces today, remind your teachers why we chose this noble profession. To our alumni, thank you for coming home. You are the living proof of our school's mission. Every achievement you have, every family you built, every community you have served, those are the medals we wear with pride. You walk these corridors a student with dreams. Today, you return as professionals, parents, leaders, and change makers. And yet, in our eyes, you will always be our students. Bukal National Integrated School may have new buildings, new programs, and new faces in the faculty, but the heart of this institution remains the same. It is the same heart that taught you discipline, integrity, and compassion. And that heart beats stronger today because you are here. As your principal, I stand here not just as an administrator, but as someone who is truly grateful. Grateful for the legacy that you continue to build. Grateful for the support many of you have given back to our current students. And grateful for the reminder that education does not end in graduation. It echoes for a lifetime. Today, forget the years that have passed. Reconnect with old friends. Thank the teachers who have shaped you. Walk around the campus and remember, this will always be your home. On behalf of the entire Bukal National Integrated School family, welcome home, dear alumni. May this day strengthen the bond between our past, present, and future. Mabuhay ang Bukal National Integrated School. Mabuhay ang ating mga alumni. Maraming salamat and enjoy the day.
Lagi kong sinasabi, hindi lang po nararamdaman ng BNIS ang umaaksyon agad, but the love of our municipal mayor. And to give this inspirational message, let us give a warm welcome to our municipal mayor, Honorable Lawrence Umbe and Arca.
Thank you po.
Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Sa ating kagalang-galang na school principal, Mrs. Belinda C. Loyola, Captain Jomar Angge, sa mga guro at kawani ng Bukal National Integrated School, sa mga opisyales ng Alumni Association, at higit sa lahat, sa mga bumubuo sa makulay na kasaysayan ng paaralang ito. Mula sa pinakaunang batch hanggang sa bagong henerasyon, isang maligayang 51 anibersaryo at 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Bilang inyong punong bayan, isang malaking karangalan ang makasama kayo sa napakahalagang milestone na ito. Ang pagtitipon na ito ay hindi lamang isang reunion, ito ay isang pagdiriwang ng tagumpay sa bawat Maragondonians na dumaan sa mga silid paaralan ng Bukal National Integrated School. Inulignita ang ika-51 taon ng dedikasyon at paglilingkod. Ang ating tema ngayong taon ay sadyang napakamahahulugan. Kapag binigyan natin ang nakaraan, makikita natin na ang Bukal National Integrated School, na dating Bukal National High School, na dati pa rin Bukal Barangay High School. Naalala ko pa ang aking tita Erlinda at si Ma'am Nazareno. Sabi ko na pag-uituhan na kanina, parehas ka sa Amerika, pero hindi nagkikita. Pero malamang nagkakatawagan. Itinayo ito sa pundasyon ng dedikasyon. Dedikasyon ng mga naunang guro sa pagtatanim ng kaalaman sa gitna ng limitadong pasilidad. Dedikasyon ng mga magulang na nagsikap para sa kinabukasan ng kanilang mga anak. At dedikasyon ng pamahalaan upang masiguro na may dekalidad na edukasyon sa ating bayan. Sa loob ng 51 taon, ang paaralang ito ay naging saksi sa paghubog ng mga lider, profesional, mga manggagawang may dangal at mabubuting mamamayan ng Maragondon. Ang inyong presensya dito ngayon ay ang buhay na patunay na ang serbisyong inilaan ng Bukal National Integrated School ay nagbunga ng mga individual na ngayon ay naglilingkod na rin sa kanilang komunidad. Habang tayo ay nagbabalik tanaw o nagugulita, hamon ko sa bawat isa sa inyo, huwag nating kalimutan ang ating pinagmulang sintang paaralan, ang ating Bukal National Integrated School. Ang tagumpay na tinasamasa ninyo ay may bahid ng pawis at pagmamahal mula sa institusyong ito. Sa inyong pag-uwi dito sa ating bayan, naway dalhin ninyo ang inspirasyon upang tumulong din sa susunod na henerasyon. Ang inyong karanasan at karunungan ang magsisilbing gabay sa mga kabataang mag-aaral na nangangarap din maging katulad ninyo bilang araw. Sa muli, malugod kong binabati ang Bukal National Integrated School sa inyong anibersaryo at sa 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Asahan ninyo na ang inyong lokal na pamahalaan ay laging nakasuporta sa inyong mga alhikain para sa kabubuti ng ating mag-aaral. Nais ko rin ipabatid sa inyo na meron na tayong 2 hektarya na extension ng Bukal National Integrated School dyan sa ating likod. Meron din daan at sa awa ng Diyos, sa tulong ninyo, ang ating munisipyo kailangan na rin may lipat. Andyan din lang po, malapit-lapit sa kinakaluba. Mabuhay ang alumni! Mabuhay ang Bukal National Integrated School! Mabuhay ang ating minamahal na bayan ng London! Maraming salamat sa isang masayang selebrasyon sa ating lahat.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating pinakamamahal na Mayor Jose Arca. Talaga naman, hanggang ng Bukal, hindi lang nga po ang umaaksyon agad, kundi ang puso at pagmamahal ng ating Mayor para hindi lang po sa bayan, kundi sa paaralan. So maraming salamat po. At isa po ako sa produkto at proud to ng BNIS. Kaya po, pinili ko pong maglingkod muli para sa paaralan at para rin sa Maragondon sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman po, to give homecoming, let us welcome the President of BNIS Alumni Association from batch 1984. Let us welcome Mr. Roy E. Casanuevo.
Good morning. Our guest of honor speaker is a distinguished leader in maritime safety and security, whose careers reflects excellence in leadership, operational command, and strategic maritime governance. He began his journey in public service in Siloam on April 1998 as a cadet of the Armed Forces of the Philippines in December 2004. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Management from University of the Cordilleras in Baguio City, and he holds dual government eligibility as a civil service professional and National Police Commission's eligibility. A proud alumnus of Bukal National High School, batch 1998. Our guest speaker is from Mabato, Maragondon, Cavite. He is a middle child among three brothers, all graduates of Bukal National High School, and the son of Armando Ange Sr. and Lenilin Ange. His journey stands as a testament that humble beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements through discipline, perseverance, and dedication. Driven by strong commitment to excellence, our guest speaker graduated number 1 from the Coast Guard Command and Staff Course in 2015. He further honored his expertise to numerous international trainings in Australia, Japan, China, India, and Malaysia. The Netherlands, London, and Vanuatu specialist in maritime safety, port state control, and security operation. He also earned a Master of Arts in Security Studies, Combating Terrorism, Policy and Strategy from the Naval Postgraduate School in Monterey, California, United States of America, becoming the first Philippine Coast Guard graduate of the institution. His research contributed to the development of national level policies, including the expansion of the Coast Guard Sea Marshal Force. Throughout his career, our speaker has consistently demonstrated outstanding leadership. He led multiple Coast Guard stations to the top honors, including Overall Station of the Year in 2012, Coast Guard Station San Fernando, Overall Station of the Year in 2013, Coast Guard Station in Zamboanga and Basilan. During the Zamboanga siege in 2013, he was recognized as one of the heroes of Zamboanga for his leadership in securing maritime areas and ensuring continuity of operational during armed conflict between the government forces and the Moro National Liberation Front of the MNLA. From 2016 to 2018, he served as a commander of Coast Guard Station, Port State Control, Manila, and he later the inaugural commanding officer of the National Port State Control Service, where he introduced key reforms, standardized training system, and strengthened performance and accountability. He also served as director of the Leadership and Doctrine Development Center and as a course director of the Philippine Coast Guard Officer Senior Executive Course, shaping future leaders of the organization. At the sea, his leadership remained exemplary. Under the command of MSC 3001, as awarded to 300 meters Ship of the Year 2025 for operational excellence and successful anti-smuggling operations. He previously served as commanding officers of the BRT Suluan, where he led critical maritime operation in the waters of Bajo de Masinloc, Scarborough Shoal, on August 11, 2026. Under his decisive leadership, the vessels effectively outmastered the aggression of multiple Chinese Navy and Coast Guard vessels in the safeguarding Philippine sovereign rights and maritime interests, despite being outnumbered. His unit maintained the safety of both personnel and vessel by successfully out-countering aggressive maneuvers that resulted in significant damage to the harassing foreign vessel. His exemplary leadership earned national recognition, including commendation from the Philippine Congress and local government units in Zamboanga and Pangasinan. The incident further elevated the reputation of the Philippine Coast Guard as the bravest Coast Guard in the world, according to the global security expert. He also one of the Philippine permanent representative to the Tokyo Memorandum of Understanding on the Fourth State Control, contributing to the regional maritime safety and international cooperation. In the mid-2026, he is scheduled to participate in the Rim of the Pacific exercise in Hawaii as commanding officers of PRP Gabriela Silang from June to August 2026. His deployment marked a historic milestone as the first ever participation of the Philippine Coast Guard in the premier global maritime exercise, highlighting the country's expanding role in international maritime security and cooperation. He is also career stand as a powerful example of leadership, courage, and service to the nation as inspiration to the young Filipino to pursue excellence and serve with the integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, join me as we welcome our guest of honor speaker for the 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Let us all welcome Captain Jomar B. Angel, Philippine Coast Guard.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong introduction. And first and foremost, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Una-una po sa ating muling ama ng bayan ng Maragondon, Mayor Lawrence Bayarcan. Good morning po. The best mayor of Maragondon, very active and very approachable one. The true PPP of a public servant. Our school officials, headed of course by Mrs. Belinda Sindoyola. Morning, ma'am. Our beloved teachers, marami po ako nakita yung mga dati ko pong guro. Nandito po sila, ma'am. Magandang umaga po. At ang ating pong presidente ng BNIS Alumni Association, my brother, Kuya Roy Casanuevo, and of course the immediate past president of the BNIS Alumni Association, Kuya Norman Kay. And also, of course, the pride of BNIS or BNHS sa mga panahon namin. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa BNHS class of 1998. So muli po, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Of course, I would also like to acknowledge someone very special. My wife, Mrs. Margaret Mary Ange, who remains my #1 fan, steadfast supporter, and pagdilate. Maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang suporta. It is truly an honor to stand before you today. As a matter of fact, I received the invitation from Ma'am Bernadette De Leon, my former teacher, and BNHS choir advisor. Lagi akong pinagtatawanan ng aking business dahil hindi daw mukhang pang-choir yung aking boses. Of course, together with Ma'am Rosalia Pinlac na hindi po nagsasawang mangulit kahit sobrang delayed yung aking mga reply. My apologies because during that time that I was informed, I was out of the country attending a meeting in California. So, from the moment that I actually received the invitation until early this morning, I kept asking myself, bakit kaya ako? Hindi ko rin talaga alam bakit ako yung na-invite sa ganitong kalaking pagtitipon because I don't consider myself extraordinary. In fact, mas marami po ang mas magagaling sa akin sa mga graduate po ng BNHS o BNIS. Mas maraming mas accomplished kaysa sa akin. But nonetheless, I humbly and proudly accept this opportunity. So this is not just an invitation to speak. It is an opportunity to come home, to reconnect with my classmates. Salamat sa ating masayang kwentuhan kaninang umaga. Pagpasensya nyo, hindi nakahabol doon sa motorcade sa aking pong mga guro. And of course, to this place that shaped my journey. Kaya sa ating lahat, maligayang pagbabalik sa ating paaralan at sa ating tahanan. So, standing here today, I cannot help but feel a deep sense of nostalgia. Walking through these familiar grounds, although yung mga old classroom namin wala na, nag-iba na, brings back so many memories. From our classrooms to the laughter we shared with friends who remain part of our journey and who remain part of my life until now. So today it's not just a gathering; it's really a homecoming in the truest sense of the word. So as I look around, again, indeed, I cannot help but see faces that carries a lot of stories. Stories of friendship, perseverance, and dreams that began right here in Bukal. So sa bawat pagkakataon na ako'y makakabalik sa ating paaralan, hindi ko maiwasan balikan ang aking mga naging karanasan, mga hirap at saya na umubog sa akin. Ako po ay taga Barangay Mabato. Bang mga taga Barangay Mabato dito? Yun. So para po sa hindi nakakalam, nung panahon na kami po ay nag-aaral dito, ang Barangay Mabato ay tuturing natin na isa parang isolated barangay. Isolated in the sense that wala pong regular na public transportation papunta po doon sa barangay namin. At kapag tagulan, halos hindi mo madadaanan ng sasakyan yung kalsada. Kaya bilang estudyante ng special science class, malaking hamon ang pumasok araw-araw na siguraduhin hindi mahuli sa klase dahil mas maaga po parati yung schedule ng klase natin. So dahil noon, kapag late ka, hindi ka pwedeng dumiretso sa classroom. Natatandaan ko pa, bandarin ko yung flagpole. Kailangan doon ka muna sa flagpole. Pero ang karanasan yun, nagturo sa akin ng disiplina, tiyaga at pagiging matatag. Natuto akong bumising ng maga, maglakad kung kinakailangan, at higit sa lahat, magsubuko sa pangarap. Hindi ko rin malilimutan ang aking naging papel bilang isang corps commander ng CAT nung ako'y 4th year. Doon nahubog nagsimulang nahubog ang aking kaya-kaya ng mamuno at maging matatag sa pagpapatupad ng mga panuntunan. At oo, may mga pagkakataon na may hindi natutuwa noon pa lang sa mga pinapatupad naming disiplina sa ating mga estudyante. Dahil yun din naman ang utos sa akin ng aming guro noon na nag-supervise sa amin, si Sir Diggy. And sinasabi ko na noon pa man, sa pagpapatupad, paninita namin ng simpleng bupe or uniforme, maliit na bagay, in-entrust sa mga officers sa CAP, training ground pala para ipatupad namin yung tama. And up until now, marami po akong ganyang experiences sa malalaking bagay na in everything that you are doing, hindi po 100% ay matutuwa. But then again, ang aking pong basihan doon, as long as mas marami natutuwa, then you are doing the right thing. So, each of us has taken different paths. Some became professionals, some are public servants, some are entrepreneurs, and many have quietly made a difference in their own ways. But no matter how far we have gone, we are always connected by one thing, one shared journey as students of BNHS or BNIS as it is known today. So, sa totoo lang, sa tuwing nakakabalik ako dito, I feel recharged. It grounds me. It resets my spirit and it reminds me of who I am and where I came from. At pinapaalala rin ko sa akin na kailangan kong gawing proud ang ating paaralan at ang bayan ng Maragondon. That even if we come from a simple community, kaya natin makipagsabayan, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. So today, I encourage everyone to reconnect, laugh again, share your stories, because sometimes looking back reminds us of how far we've come. So Bukal National High School or Bukal National Integrated School is more than just a place of learning. It is the foundation of who we have become. Nakikita natin ngayon ang napakalaking improvement. Mga bagong gusali, mga mas maayos at according nga po kay Mayor, mas lalaki pa, doble, more than itong pliti ng Bukal National Integrated School. But beyond infrastructure, what truly defines BNIS is its commitment to holistic development, academic and non-academic. This school taught us discipline when we needed guidance. It instilled excellence when we doubted ourselves, and it shaped our integrity, which we carry wherever we go. Kaya sa ating mga naging guro at mentors, maraming salamat po. You believe in us before we believe in ourselves. You saw our potential long before we recognized it. At habang buhay po namin dadalhin ang inyong mga aral. The legacy of BNIS or BNHS lives not in buildings, not in facilities, but in each one of us. So while today is a celebration of the past, 51 years, it is also a commitment to the future. This homecoming is not just about remembering, it is about continuing the legacy. So as alumni, we have the responsibility not just to succeed, but to give back, to support the next generation, to inspire them, and to show them that no matter where they come from, they can achieve great things. I have experienced this firsthand and multiple times, competing and working alongside with graduates of prestigious schools. Maaaring hindi tayo katulad nila at hindi tayo konyong tulad nila, but we are just as capable, if not better. So never be intimidated. We are products of great school and we must believe in that. Let us continue to bring honor to BNIS, not only through our achievements, but through our service to others. So as we celebrate today, let us carry not just memories, but purpose. Because in the end, our greatest achievement is not how far we have gone, but how we use our journey to uplift others. So before I end, I would like to share a simple acrostic that represents BNIS, or the Bukal National Integrated School. B stands for Bukal ng Pangarap at Paninindigan, dahil dito nagsimula ang aking lakas ng loob na mangarap ng mataas. N stands for Nagpanday ng disiplina at karakter, dahil ang paaralang ito ang nagsilbing gabay ko sa bawat hamon, sa lupa man o sa karagatan. I isinapuso ang integridad at inspirasyon na nagturo sa akin na tunay na tagumpay ay may kasamang paglilingkod sa kapwa. S, sandigan ng aking pagkatao na patuloy kong binabalikan upang maglingkod at magbigay inspirasyon. Muli po, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang Bukal National Integrated School. At mabuhay ang bayan ng Maragondon. At mabuhay ang isang bagong Pilipinas.
Everybody will stand for the giving of the plaque of recognition. That will be the citation. Bukal National Integrated School Alumni Association, Bukal Maragondon, Cavite. Plaque of recognition is awarded to Captain Drummer Yuanga PCG in grateful recognition of your invaluable sharing of knowledge, inspiring message as guest speaker during the 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming with the theme, Gunita sa ika 51 taon na dedikasyon at paglilingkod. Your presence has greatly enriched this occasion and inspired fellow alumni to continue striving for excellence and service. Given this first day of May 2026 in Bukal National Integrated School, Bukal Maragondon, Cavite, signed by the dearest President and IS Alumni Association, Mr. Roy D. Casoneto. Let's give a hand for Captain Drummer, and also plaque of recognition for Honorable Lawrence N. Arma. And also a plaque of recognition for Bukal National Integrated School.